It was a Mamma Aquaba, Eba Ghana SMTVGH, Mesra like, comment, subscribe with the notification so that anytime videos of this nature, upload it, Usamekabi, I'm also Ashe. Now let's go into the story. It was for Asemaba. Asemaba. Now, Mahama Ayariga, majority leader. On one, they say, on a government spokesperson, Felix Kwakye. On nanya asem. Na asem aba no, ye de fear asem ti yen koka bi. But on say, when God is working in your favor, these are some of the things that happen. Se Nyakopon wafa, akufaro Nyakopon, baumya Nyakopon, MPP Nyakopon, osuno ama yonko no Nyakopon. Oni we di ni ye a say na, asem aba free mo aba no. Mekaya, he say, John Mama 1.0 no, before we call no, or the aye boss site, aye or mine no dear. Aye mene dear. Ye ba. Ye ma on baba in the future and the rest. Ade aye or mood dear no. And I'm mutamu ye, and I'm de manipa back. Now, I'm de manipa no ye no, koi, and a Supreme Court because a dear be ade amu ye no. More family emrakwan su edi ye until muji back. Not knowing Abraham Mojis are boss side back. No, a mark meeting and says, hey, boss has no cry back. We cry and say, boss has not gonna force a woman pen, and a year by Jinaman Ankasa ye, Sikako Nankasa. And I'm planning ye, I won't buy a pen, I must say gold board, straightforward, and I'm go straight for gold board. Only buy, only gold board buy, and I'm okay, say there be good board. No, go for more big mining concessions, no. Large scale mining, they say Anglo Gold Mu and the others that mine mu omudo count. But what was small scale concession by force? I said what all the mass emergency. Just for us to come and realize later, say company omampeni John Mahama nin mi adie no. Sa company no epe large scale mining company eto. And to say the black water gold and the man Nancy as uncle did mind there. Now, a bra obia casa debi, I dare a conflict of interest, power. I don't know why I say, I don't know munya or man before say, and I will say, obey no can say, President John Mahama no, when Tina meeting now, or Moody decided a side and when Tinemu, blah blah blah. And like I said, I said, I was always but Tina must say. There cannot be any cabinet meeting without the president. And the Mahama Ayariga kasa ni video. A chere mono. And Naba Bonti, a kase. There be cabinet meeting bia newa Ebra Mampeni. Na cabinet meeting no sunu. Nipa bakupe or make decision or Mampeni. Na Mampeni ni ma eno no asano no. Enti eno na explanation na Ama Ayariga diaba eti nkwan kotie ebusion for still na ye twa studio contributions no so and also donations no so for some time now donation bia nyamba it invest still around 12,000 Ghana cedis 13,000 more to go by GDC mbeboye ama drew a year 25,000 so that we can bring this beautiful vision to pass.
Now let's go to the question of attending cabinet, and let me educate those who don't understand the business of how cabinet is managed. You have cabinet ministers, and then you have ministers who are not cabinet members but who attend cabinet, and any other person may attend cabinet with the leave of the president. And when you take the minutes of cabinet, you will see that you have list of cabinet ministers, they are 19, and then all other ministers are not observers in attendance. Because the business of cabinet is just to advise the president. Cabinet doesn't take decisions. All these claim that cabinet has taken a decision. No, cabinet does not take decisions. Cabinet advises the president, and all decisions are decisions of the president. And so he can allow anybody into the meeting to assist him take any decision that he has to take. So that is the arrangement that we have, and I want to assure you that your own leader, I attend cabinet meetings. Now let's go.
This time around, the yes favor will be out. Yes, so be unquestioned some so. Yes, so unquestioned some to any opposition. I in a brain. Adai, not you tell my check. Namini Misika, my Tommy light. Now to me, your lights in them. Mutini to my pampa to say deal levy. Multi deal levy to tell me that you assume. Like a kind of question for say, Obiaka said, doom size back. I was a munti leader. Woman, me light, what's your friend of Honumana? And your Juman. That's at the end is for Simon. I am a fan.
Don't like to know fan in the air and the because of my debia, you do the lights of my debia. It's me. I'm met him. So what's the question? I met him. Why?
Now, fan no matching fan no. Message someone was a matching fan no. Matching fan no, they are two three. Let it to fan no, so I'm a water. Let it to fan no, so I'm a water. Moray and a fan be a Juma. Moray and a fan, a Juma. Fan be a Juma now. Or to the first dance you are broaching, ma'am. Or to the first dance you are broaching, ma'am. Most I have fun be a Juma, and I can be home from your Jimmy on. But I made them idea, soft life. To on man, I can say to me. And why I can't do so is back. I was my papa to be. What to meet him? And this is from where papa me. We are Jimmy for the say, and I can also be a mo. Yes, Robbie be a mo. What to be doing somebody? I didn't see it on a pack. Mini lights. I didn't see it on a pack. Mini lights. I mean, that's you. Evidence in here, Makwako chim fan, me chim fan, mutility my pampa so, fan be here, Juma. I said, it is enough, it is utility my pampa so. I don't know to the chromosa, Ade. I know you're bread, and your mama said, Momo Chuma, and can this again, can you option? I can't this, I had option. I don't know why I press her. Ade. Now you're because I'm my young cousin, I'm about the society. When I'm about the preacher, and this is for, and the Munsha and a Munjina. Munsha and a Munjina, Pan, as I say, I feed ye. You give room for any stupidity. And was also be about the Yano. And more some will be about the Yano. When you know, some to me the dinner, and I don't know, but share. Whoa, bastard baby, no, another to me, but hell, bastard baby. What you quite a phone? One planning, I won't pass Yama Babu Yasano. Papa die, edging will ban him. No, the more baby and the job at school fees free not to miss audacity the dinner attempt there. Now, what was ya Wabana who do lights, Nami Missikaton? Who do no fair, no? What's the mammy come as a mammy do at a wild but damn papa? Would shall the mamma not above a woman, one other mammy. Say a better, the better. What's a young cock woman? Ya bravo. What free yano? What's the Mabakuno? Ya kuma kama moti ase ke ya kukumu nyina afias adan enya hunahuna saano muka so bia nye hunahuna no ya santefo de efre ya hukuma apem ebeba ai hukuma asebie no ye di na yida ensam sopa kwasia futu regret abua woni ma de kira woni mo
Antimi oni answer bia de maw it no be daleno ka kira yen say ma yen twa da pa ofui Kevin Della tried pa. Otu got his mon tried pa na. Sakola when na motum shin na no apa pai. Ni true event saying kuto. Ni tin why say also say na on Trinity and ba me aba na nkola na ya no kokko Trinity na say mefe. Destiny. So on ya
only voice so we are not voice na continue ba me ya dia ba say.
Otu ko catch sakola say mo ya ba me ana. Be careful. Say they me ma warning. They be me ma warning. Ya ba be ma warning so you pay me akosho we pay ni. Me pese metumi na so. Me ti me so a me do ya me say ba comment asibio. Because mo kan obi na ya brain na Ghana. Nipa be say wo Sadiq nde na ya brain Ghana. Nipa want to say wo Sadiq enti na de e ba ni say yen ko the northern ready na. Omo hu ye glory. They be say wo Sadiq. Because what one a tonko as a tongo say don't go so one go Any event is alamba benum. Any event Mahama Ayariga. And a Mike, why is an indeed because a Muriki so wine in Nendom MP. Omuni na the be on come we twice. Omuni
Dominica Yini, for Dominica Yini.
Yo, what now fi Upper West?
Upper East for now.
I was some northern region. Ah, good post this say, oh my juma. Now Sadik. What some share say? Yakasa, oh kaya say now deal with them. What can end this for afaba me I wouldn't AFM. And yes, I am great this more. Yes, and the pain, and I want to about me. Thank I was a dick, Nissan Crawford way, Sa MP sway, Effie Northern region, and then somehow about the fence, get a candidate minister, it's me bien, I know, it's me, criticizing North, say, North, punishment zone, and Trace, and see, Mama Ayariga, Alam Baba MP, North, dear, glory, Erin Baho, because party now, any glory, Baba North, no, I'm pinning to sabotage a project they call off until some Crawford says Sadik move. So most no more 20 Ghana. No one the chinchi say project na MPP na MPP con off no and ya the papa. In so ya the papa. Ya the papa because NPP actually no the region mo weather. Send ye it nyama be boam kwan the commam. And it's nearly one village, one dam, a brand north for. Yeah, the agenda one eke more now for. Yeah, mom road extension. Me boy, cause I'm for with the voice in painful. I know what to I'm painful no. Yeah, mom was friends a warehouse. A bad education. Yeah, mom original education. Yes, a friends SS mom. Yeah, mom education. Yeah, mom pick up. Yeah, mom school buses. Yeah, call health. Well, your mom one district one ambulance. Your man health director be a pickup. Oh, come crossing Crokitswana, your mama chip compounds. Is that the motorbike pay so? Is that the same now do health workers and baby on Crokitswana into what I found is a one district, one drip machine. Your money now at 10. It was complete. You have a payloader, you have a drip machine, you have a grader, you have a one economist too. It's me like I know how to fish because I really I'm rich in ideas because you won't be that. You won't in Sunday mother. Cause on the NAPCO buy we require university graduate real university bet na fie mu nyadwuma ye no ba me pe kwan ma won e the NAPCO e buy ye employ youth almost 100,000 e ko she NAPCO e bi kwan ya ware e wom e bi kwan sie sika de tua so e ho na ye na ba bebe won say da bi omuntimi kanap ko science say office bia e was sector bia e was original capital no e say ye eco district it e more ye create you know or create different office introduce be education office or no be agriculture office or no obenya e health like or create sector be e man youth no wo ko ya be share from NAPCO. Now say ni power say hu say me nurse fu a me boa mo e wo afa ne say nursing training me mama tina fie ntino me pe agenda 111 eza ne so nim say me crowd entafo mo ntino or tam sa agenda 111 ko pie e wo northern region but yeah sa NPC amabo wondi a omo so mo pese develop be course on northern region e be say sa de no mo sabotage project mo nti omo pese project no e be ya glory be woman kasa no omo ni vision that's atongo ato nikenika se ke hand akono for say e achievement atongo is ka o ma me na oba na so system na me nikenika command is on for Bob Brian kabe odena it is possible one him say lady be ba me comment be your audio see madam aya o ti say last Saturday now ya tongo madam ya no mame me say ya to abetia NPP but that to one can brain no me ferry echo soon boniface if you say me nua no echo SS omotifie yenye sika ntua won so na to go ni mechanical brain me me ko fa mechanical ne ba ye I say into ho na me hwe me catch me say ma na do ama uba mienu we SS education atongo bai wa ma tua won so o so ma wo mechanical it's ma o hwe SS wan tia 1 city so buy uba we de animonyam and the ultimate private school ma onya sika ma hodidi sani kenike we ena ye papa eno so be sifie obedi ana mame ka wo fa ni kenike ni sanson koma o and they ye ni end this sune inti so ya no fofo ya o yie na o ya ye betie inti sasa dik na one make catch say ni pebi say na tongo alambam benu sankwasa pafo MP where omumbo bram ko na MP parliament for some of them omun call 4 times 3 times 2 times sankwasa power MP we omama no fun amba ni monyam na afi atongo ni alamba benu omu waste for that omu commoners me I see that to be commoners. They are greedy and selfish. And then, because of these people, North and Benyam, and no man, come and North for forces. Baumia, Ali, one way, and funny crane see ye, or the power cotton about me, episode always enough. Now, North, Mancasa, Mahu Baumia, comes in a FA. And said, you will fear ye. Ika mo giant to kwana mama Ayariga drag ba na mo giant say jimie na mo unity and mo ko pre development and can ni say dem mo hina aka wono ye kumu leader no mo sisa mo suban na fofo na mo ye boni ye alamba be won se ni baby akoko ana atongo won se ni baby akoko eye ni kanika ana no fofo musisa musuban mujai jimie mumpa kwana mumba enya dachi the only party but my boy NPP Baumia lead by Baumia I say I'm rich in ideas me die me ba me de bakoto e pempem ebusuafo enyasafo kasa muntie na nkwasampa fo bi say sick sense fo bi say autism fo bi say ato force ni libra any e kan say equality kodonkola say the thing set patroki uku e fan say boni the drugs dabra ne nim san rese san kofu agina one about me agina one autism sa yare fu sick sense wo munye nyamu kan any about me be ko challenge our economy so the Ghana for say man kasa no munya bunch of jokers muye den they to me catch them say this is just the beginning na mundina na kase eba na muko do adaka no wa aba no to anu aka say go and see no more baga ya pien this for na ko relegation a good party no I feel the partner change before no musiesi on mine no because a lead baba on me ade that chi bia obo se mu kunu no mpena fo no maka insu na chi no on ba be yedi mo fie because e be ko no e be twa ne be per hour inte be do be bo Ghana na wudi yedi dollars e was am for makram the voice obinti